Some boxes of the bill over here. And this is the ASICS GEL-NYC in the Birch and Driftwood colorway. I had most of the models from ASICS, but I was waiting for to get my first GEL-NYC, this model. So I've heard a lot of good things about it, great reviews. They have these dual density foams, all the ASICS ones. And this gel is not for the cushion. People mistake that. Gel is for shock absorption. This color combination looks so good. I was waiting for the right color combination. This is a very good looking pair. Let's see the detailing: off-white mesh, open style mesh. I have this hairy gray suede, pink. You can say brick type color. This is the on-fit look of the new ASICS GEL-NYC in the Birch and Driftwood colorway. The colorway looks really nice. I have most of the ASICS model, but didn't have the NYC. Was waiting for that. And let me go through the details. This is the on-fit look. You see. About the materials, like I said, true to size, fits perfect. You can see here you have an open style mesh, which is very lightweight, so in summers it will be very comfortable with a lot of ventilation. Over here you have synthetic panels in this light brick color, and here you have the suede. And the suede, if you can see, this is the hairy suede, and the color is gray, but it's like a slightly reddish tone to it, so that is creating this colorway. And over here also you can see this is not fully white, it's like reddish off-white, creating the color. Over here you have gray on the back side, you have gel written, and this navy blue, so it's matching the trouser here. So really nice colorway. Off-white laces, mesh is also off-white. You have dual density foam, you have this rustic plate over here, substantial amount of rubber for gripping. The outsole is also really nice. Dual density foam and the gel inserts on the sides, which will help in shock absorption. A really nice model. Comfort wise, my initial impression is it's not feeling that soft like the ASICS GEL-NIMBUS 10.1 or 1130 or Piano 14. Those are much more bouncy feel. This one is a bit firm, but that doesn't mean it's bad. Sometimes there should be a balance between softness and firmness to give the perfect comfort. And there was some confusion about the NYC sizing on internet for Indian feet. Go for true to size. True to size fits perfectly.